Tired of a cluttered kitchen and endless cooking steps? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is here to revolutionize your meal prep. Truly a game changer. Imagine replacing 9 different appliances with just one sleek machine. It's your pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice maker, and so much more all in one. From sterilizing baby bottles to making perfect yogurt and even baking cakes, this 9-in-1 functionality saves you counter space and time. No more guessing. With 15 customizable smart programs, you can literally set it and forget it, making delicious meals effortlessly. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen or find the best pressure cooker for busy weeknights, this is absolutely what you need. The durable stainless steel inner pot isn't just easy to clean, it's also food grade, ensuring healthy and delicious results every single time. What makes the Duo Plus special is its intuitive design combined with unparalleled versatility, making complex cooking simple for everyone. Ready to simplify your cooking life? You can grab your Instant Pot Duo Plus today via the Amazon link in my description. It's the ultimate kitchen gadget for 2025, perfect for anyone seeking efficiency and culinary excellence. Seriously, for anyone considering a smart kitchen investment, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is a powerful, versatile choice you won't regret buying.